How to contact Expedia. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Misnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can contact or chat with Expedia. Now if you want to contact them directly, you'll find the contact number in the application itself. But if you want any support, you'll get the help option there as well. So you can open up Expedia app, and on your account what you want to do is you want to tap on the account option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, if you scroll down below, you'll find the option at the very bottom. You can see help and feedback, get customer support. You want to tap on it. As you can see here, you can tap on chat now and it'll show you the list of questions that you might have. So you can simply tap on particular option that you are looking for, particular support you are looking for, or you can chat with virtual agent directly. So you can see here. The other way is you can tap on visit the help center and it'll show you your help center nearby. Or if you want to contact them directly, you will see the local number right there on the screen. As you can see, you can tap on it and you can go ahead and make the call. So this is the way that you can easily contact Expedia. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.